A to down angle mini B. USB cable. USB M to mini USB type B M. USB 2. 0.6. 6 feet. Black. USB 1x4 pin type A male USB 2. 0 USB first end, 1x5 pin type B male USB 2. 0 mini USB second end. Unrestricted access to micro USB mobile device. 6. 56. Data transfer rate 480 megabits per second. Connector plating nickel plated. Conductor copper. Material polyvinyl chloride, PVC, jacket, aluminum mylar shielding. Wire gauge 28 Aruban florins. Connector style straight to down angle. Technology double shielded. Device supported cellular phone, GPS receiver, camera, hard drive. Reduce stress on mobile device connector. Designed and constructed for maximum durability. Molded connectors with strain relief. Includes 1x mini USB cable. Certifications and standards. RoHS. Weight 1. 66 ounces. Warranty lifetime limited. The USB-A MB2 MD 2 meters USB to down angle mini USB cable provides a high quality connection between your mini USB 2. 0 mobile devices, smartphones, GPS, digital cameras, portable hard drives, etc. And your PC or Mac computer, for everyday tasks such as charging, data synchronization or file transfers. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing. I bought this USB cable to replace my dash cam original cable that was 6 feet long. I have no idea why the manufacturer does that. Plus the original cable USB plugs upside down, what damages the cable also. This one fit perfectly and did the job. Now I don't have a bulk of USB cables on my dash anymore. I highly recommend.